Ready?
Yeah. Look at rocks.
Hey Ivy, what's that over there? What is that?
Swing. Swing. Oh, right.
What is that?
Hold on. Ready? Hold on. No, it's okay. You can sit there.
Do you want to try the slide?
No.
She's not that surprised, is she?
Nope.
Okay.
Can Daddy help you?
No, I can't swim.
Big step. Wow, good job. Good job, hon.
Are you stuck?
Yeah. Gonna have to wax it.
Great slide.
Yeah. Oh.
Yay!